Everyone, it's Tim from Your PS5 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix DNS errors on your PlayStation 5. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to the top and then go to Settings and scroll on down to Network. Now in here, let's go down to Settings and go to the right and go to Setup Internet Connection. Now choose your currently connected internet. So I'm connected to WireLAN 4. I'm going to press Options on it and then go to Advanced Settings. Now under here, let's go to where it says DNS Settings and it says Automatic on mine. Let's switch it to Manual. Now let's type in 8.8.8.8.8 for the primary DNS, and then for the secondary DNS, type in 8.8.4.4. Then you press R2 and done, and you can go to OK. Now, if this one doesn't work, you can type in 1.1.1.1, then go to the secondary DNS, and then type in 1.0.0.1. Press R2 and done, go to OK, and then you can connect back to the network on your PlayStation 5. And then just make sure your DNS is working. So we can go back out here, go to connection status, and then go to test internet connection. And you can just see if it's obtaining an IP address, internet connection, and sign in to PlayStation Network. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your PS5 Studios.